Get ready with me for my friend's birthday.
Hi, get ready with me from this to this. Guys, so get ready with me for my friend's 18th birthday, which is basically going to be a house party because बाहर जाने का इस कड़कती दोपहर में we planned but we couldn't succeed it. So it's just gonna be a house party. Okay, so the theme is basically, let's move on to theme. The theme is white upper and black lower. So I've got the black lower.
This is the second option. There baju and this can be the topper which have and it have I finalized two. This is first. I don't know what to choose. I think I'm going with this. This look good. So now about makeup. Okay, so it's like Sunday. My papa at home, so let me just switch the camera first. Camera switch. Guys, have you seen the meme that I keep dealing things so that I can rush? Like I wake up, how I catfish. Okay. हाँ मैं watch me getting these. Oh shit, moisturizer and sunscreen. I'll see after. So I'll just apply थोड़ा सा silverish here. इधर silverish की मुझे पता नहीं लगता इसमें वाली तो आज कोई बड़ा silverishness अभी तो so theme is basically summer. You know, it is very hard to romanticize summer भाई. Yes, like summer so कि honestly I cannot really take risk. So इधर mirror है, so करने के बाद मिलता है. Actually AC इस घर में नहीं है, दूसरे रूम में है, उस रूम में सब सो रहे हैं. When you are already getting late and then you pull out this move. मेरे दिन दिमाग में बस I'm done with eyeliner. और समय भी लोग क्या तो मैं क्या ही heavy look दूँ. I have to go to in front of AC. Mascara. मेकअप फिक्स भी करना है ऐसी गर्मी में तो. Lipstick palette I have and the theme is summer, so got this new brown lip shade. I like it matte. Not the only matte I'm good at is girl matte. बाकी में तो this is the best lip shade that I can do with. I'll have this for touch up with me. And let me open my hairs and I'll show you. जब से शैम्पू किया तब से मैंने कंघी नहीं चलाई है अपने. Last we are going to apply highlighter to just shine because we are meant to shine, Glitter. Okay. Blush भी लगाना होता है summer कोड में. It's okay, don't worry. I think I need to get a brush. Hands are so multi-talented, but last we'll go with blush. Wow, highlighter के बाद blush. Very influential. Get ready with me. Fuck. क्या करें? I'm not shooting Get ready with me.
ये पार्टी का है यहाँ पे ये